Hi everybody, Timmy, I got it together. I need to mount the ECMs, get those aligned, but the whole beast is together, and guess what? We got some real smooth rotation, baby. Nothing's touching nothing. I got all my, these are all the pickup coil connections for all three phases. This is A, B, and C to the motor. This is the Hall effect sensors over here, and you can see I got a collar here. Shafts comes out. This one's got the collar already mounted on it, and so that's ready. So I'm going to have 4 ECMs, 2 on the back side, and that's it. We're good to go. Anyway, one hell of a lot of work. I had quite a problem right in here. I had to actually, because the belt wouldn't go on the stinking gear, so I had to realign this one point, and that's what I did. And I've got like 1 inch bearings here, ½ inch. I tried to use the pillow blocks two at a time, and when I had 2 of these pillow blocks mounted in there, this is stiff and not self-aligning, which is a pain in the ass, let me tell you. So that's where we are today. Backside is pretty simple, ain't nothing back there. I did end up with about 1.5 inches of the shaft out here to work with for a flywheel or whatever, but looking good so far, and that's it.